Look at that. If I'm ever going to get the 65 C20 on the road, we've got to get some rubber on this puppy. Right now, we need to get some shoes on his feet. Oh yeah. I'm thinking some modern 16-inch. Get rid of the split rings altogether. Let's check it out.
I'd like to buy that.
There you go, kid.
That's it? Huh.
These wheels should give that truck some curb appeal. Maybe even a little eye candy. That does give a little eye candy. If nothing else, we get those dry rotted split rings off of it, some modern rims. We'll worry about some tires later. And I think we're ready for the strip. Once I got the wheels set next to the truck doesn't look that bad from this side profile. Look at that eye candy all over it. Nice.